What's it like to roll a rocket to the pad? It's a highly precise operation. This is the point where things get exciting. This morning, we're getting ready to move this massive structure called the MLP. It stands for Mobile Launch Platform, from the vertical integration facility to the pad. The mobile launch platform weighs between 1 million and 2 million pounds. It supports the powerful Atlas V rocket and today the AFS PC-5 spacecraft. Just prior to roll, we raised that massive structure 3 inches on these undercarriage train assemblies. And I like to call it the first quarter mile to space. It's approximately a quarter mile to the pad.
So leading the charge up the hill, we have 2 mobile rail cars. The first one, the P-Van, houses payloads electronics. So this is the customer needs and all the electronics and communication to the spacecraft that's up on the upper side of the rocket inside the payload fairing. The second van is the G-Van, or the ground van, and this houses electronics used for the rocket for liftoff through the countdown. You're now standing inside the core of the MLP, or Mobile Launch Platform. And as you can tell, it's very loud. That's because 2 ECS trailers are fully supporting the payload with air conditioning at this time. Now this is where all the fire and flame happens for the Atlas V. You can see it stands in the core suspended by 3 launch heads. The MLP itself houses electronics, air conditioning, and commodities that support the rocket from this position to the pad to launch. So we're now standing at the rear of the convoy. It's approximately 1.3 million pounds with everything included. How do we get up the hill? Well, the 2 yellow items are mobile rail car movers, also called trackmobiles. They're both road and rail capable. Behind them we have the portable ECS trailers, or PECs as we call them. They are powerful and loud ECS, or air conditioning systems that provide air to the rocket and to the payload, and it's a very critical job.
As the rocket leaves the vertical integration facility, it will travel up these rails and make its way to the pad equipment building. Once the rocket is at its proper position at the pad equipment building, the crew will lower the MLP onto its piers or to the platform. Once the rocket is hard down, the MLP is hard down on the piers, crews will proceed to make pneumatic and electrical connections. My task specifically will be making sure the pneumatic systems are properly configured to support the mate of pneumatic autocouplers and to transfer temporary purges from the MLP to the facility systems at the pad.
Dave, how you doing, man?
How you doing?
Statement. We're getting ready to roll. So I know you got the fiber card today. Are you good to go?
Yeah, man, we're in. Okay.
That's what it's like to roll a rocket to the pad.